Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Randy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a low content books or journal using Canva that you can upload sa Amazon KDP for your passive income or side hustles. So let's dive in. So what is Amazon KDP? KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing or Kindle pagmamayari ng Amazon. So KDP allows you to self-publish ebooks, paperbacks, and hardcover books for free. So already meron tayong traditional na publishing. If you want to publish your own book, hahanap ka ng publishing house. Rex, Aviva, and so on and so forth. Pero dito kay KDP, si Amazon mismo ang magpapublish ng book mo or magpiprint on demand. So merong cut si Amazon, tapos meron ka din royalty for every purchase ng subscriber kay Amazon. So ano-ano ba yung mga content na pwede nating i-publish kay Amazon KDP? So pwedeng mga novels, book series, children's book, comics, cookbooks, activity books, pwede coloring books, journals, poetry, and textbooks. So ano ba yung mga components ng libro? So meron tayong book cover and also the interior. So book interior. So, may mga guide si Amazon sa kanilang website on the sizes na kailangan natin, yung mga trim size, bleed size. Punta lang kayo dito sa help and format paperback. So, nandito naman lahat ng mga guides nila kung ano ba dapat mga sizes na kailangan natin gamitin para gumawa ng mga books kay Amazon. So, here you can see kung ano ba yung bleed. Tapos kung anong size, if you're going to create 8.5 by 11, kung may bleed yung, ito yung magiging size nyo. So there, kapag meron naman bleed for your interior, ito naman yung size. So check nyo lang yung kdp.amazon.com, then help para sa mga guides. So, ang una natin gagawin is yung book interior. So, sa book interior, create lang tayo ng custom design for our book interior. Custom size. Click mo na yung custom size. 8.5 inches. Sorry, inches yan. 8.5 by 11. So, ito yung letter. The size. So, ang trying to recreate natin is itong ginawa kong daily planner. Ayan. So, ginawa ko, so wait lang. Ito yung daily planner na ginawa ko na kanina. So, simple lang siya. Naghanap lang ako ng template na katulad niya. Search lang ako sa design. Tapos, weekly planner. From the templates, marami ka na makikita na weekly planner. Tapos, edit mo na lang kung ano yung magustuhan mong weekly planner. So, ang nagustuhan ko kasi na weekly planner, parang all-around planner, is itong minimalist na planner. So, may daily planner, tapos meron din siyang weekly planner. So, nag-change na lang ako ng font. Change ko rin yung colors para hindi tayo makopyright. So, daily planner, kung makikita nyo, daily planner, tapos, meron siyang, so daily planner na mga 200 pages, weekly planner, ito yung weekly planner, weekly goals, to-do list, achievement, and notes, and all. And aside from those, monthly planner din. So, meron din siyang monthly planner. Pagkatapos gumawa ng interior, kung kailangan mong i-adjust or mag-notify si Amazon pag nag-submit ka ng book sa kanila, pwede mo naman gamitin yung resize feature ni Canva para ma-resize mo kagad lahat. So, kung may pro account ka, i-click mo lang yung resize, tapos pwede mo na resize. So, you can see, reset, marami akong changes kasi minsan meron daw ako mga background image na nagbi-bleed. So, kailangan ko daw i-resize. So, ito yung mga change. So, pag nag-change lang ako ng width and height, automatic lahat ng pages ma-resize. So, after nun, after tapos ka na sa inyong interior, just click on the share button, download, then choose, instead of PNGs, choose PDF print. Okay? So, ang next natin is kailangan natin gumawa ng book cover. So, kailangan natin sundin yung mga guidelines din ni Amazon for the book cover sizes. So, punta lang tayo sa cover calculator sa Amazon. Tapos, paperback, black and white, cream, left to right, measurement inches, interior 8.5 by 11, tapos almost 200 yung page count, calculate the dimensions. Then from there, malalaman mo kung ano na yung size na needed mo. Like for example, here. But you can also download the template kung ano sure ka sa gagamitin. So after yung mag-download ng template, punta lang tayo sa Canva ulit para create yung book size. So ang size niya is 17.750 inches. 17 inches muna ulit. 750 by 11.25. So, create design. Tapos, after natin ito, upload lang natin yung template na dinownload nyo kanina. Ito. Ayan. Wait lang natin. Then, after that, i-drag lang natin ito para ma-fit yung size. Ito may kanina may dinownload na ako. But for here, click lang natin yan. Drag lang natin yan. Para may guide na tayo. Para dun sa book cover. Ayan. 750 by 1125. So, dapat mag-fit siya. So, there. Lagay lang natin yung lines from here. There. So, meron tayong guide na ito yung back cover, ito yung front cover. Gawa na tayo ng line or black na lang natin. Ayan. Tapos coveran lang natin. Tapos gumawa rin ako ng line kanina. Ganyan. Tapos gumawa na ako na kanina ng cover for the journal or weekly planner. So pakita ko yung design na ginawa ko. So, ayan. My planner. Tapos, copy ko lang ito para tripat ko lang din dito. Tapos, yan. Tapos, same. Oh, sorry. Medyo pangit. So, same lang kanina. Click mo lang yung share, download, and go PDF print. So there, after you mag-create ng book interior and book cover, so i-upload na natin siya ngayon sa Amazon KDP. Punta lang kayo amazonkdp.com, sign in, then click on the create button. Sa create button, you will see something like this. Meron ditong ebook, paperback, pero paperback ang pipiliin natin. So nag-create na ako kanina para mabilis. So ito yung mga details kanina. So sa paperback details, sample lang naman ito. So book title, series, edition, author, lagay nyo na yung author nyo, contribution, kung may contributor kayo, contributor, tapos description. Make sure maayos yung description dito, hindi katulad ng ganito. Publishing rights, I own the copyright, tapos yung keywords, make sure to fill all the keywords. Categories, only 2, so choose wisely. Tapos click nyo lang if you're uploading a low content books, which is yes. Then adult content, no. Then click nyo lang yung save and continue and you will be redirected sa next section, which is yung pag-upload na ng cover and yung interior. So meron dito ISBN, without an ISBN, or kapag low content wala namang ISBN, pero kapag coloring because and all, Amazon will generate for you. Publication date, as long as live kagad, print options, black and white, size mo is 0.5 kanina without any bleed kasi may margin naman tayo, so wala naman nag-i-exceed. Paperback or glossy, upload nyo yung manuscript. Manuscript is the interior. Upload nyo lang here. Make sure it's PDF or docx, ito mga sample formats. Then the book cover. So meron silang cover creator and meron din tayong pwedeng mag-upload ng ginawa natin, which is ito yun. Tapos launch nyo yung book preview. Make sure na maayos yung cover nyo and yung interior ng book. right? So, of course, make sure to check it thoroughly before you press on submit. So, quality check, yan. Click nyo lang yan. Okay naman. Tapos hanggang 200 yan. Meron din thumbnail view para makita nyo. So, gumawa ko ng almost 206 na pages. So, click nyo lang yung approve. After approve, ang next na section na is yung pricing part. So, printing cost, yun, medyo mahal, $3.32. So, save and continue para makita natin yung pricing. So, save lang. Ang next na section natin is yung pricing. So, sa pricing and territories, so all territories, marketplace natin, wala naman Philippines dito, so amazon.com. Tapos, ito na yung pricing. So, if, for example, $599. So, sa $599 ng book, ang printing ng cost ay $3.32. Ang royalty o yung kita mo is per item na may benta is 0.27 cents. So, kailangan mong increase yan. Para kumita ka naman, right? Change mo lang itong mga values and automatic magre-recompute si Amazon KDP. So, may $1 per journal or weekly planner, pwede na. Right? Pwede na. So, click nyo lang yung publish your paper book. Then, that's it. So, there you go. Thank you so much again for watching this video. I hope marami kayo natutunan in uploading, creating book interiors, cover, and uploading to Amazon KDP. I hope na mag-upload din kayo. Also, check yung mga niches dun sa Amazon KDP, like yung coloring books, sticker, mga journals, yung mga tracing. So, ano pa ba? Marami pang iba. So, search nyo na lang, research na lang kayo yung mga Amazon KDP. Maraming salamat for watching. Thank you so much. God bless. God bless.